Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PancakeSwap for BNB Chain swaps, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the PancakeSwap website in your browser. Ensure you are connected to the BNB Smart Chain. If you are using a wallet extension like MetaMask, select the BNB Smart Chain network from the drop-down menu. If you don't see it, add the BNB Smart Chain manually by entering the network details. Next, fund your wallet with BNB or any other supported token. To do this, you can buy BNB from an exchange and transfer it to your wallet address. Once your wallet is funded, go back to the PancakeSwap interface. Click on the Connect Wallet option in the top right corner. Select your wallet provider from the list. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. Now that your wallet is connected, navigate to the Swap section. In the From field, select the token you wish to swap. In the To field, choose the token you want in return. Enter the amount you want to swap. Pay attention to the price impact and slippage tolerance. You can adjust the slippage tolerance in settings if needed. Once everything looks good, click on the Swap button. Confirm the transaction details in the pop-up window. Then, approve the transaction in your wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. After the transaction is confirmed, you will see your new tokens in your wallet. You can review your transaction history in the PancakeSwap interface if needed. Congratulations, you have successfully activated PancakeSwap for BNB Chain swaps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.